Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by readying gear. Equip the waterproof lantern, tie the rope to your belt, and fit the half-oxygen tank. Once done, check the lighthouse map fragment and tide schedule from the dockkeeper so you know the safe window. You move to the West Cliff approach because it reduces patrol encounters and gives a lower angle to climb. Make sure to time your first climb with low tide. That prevents the lower walkway from being flooded and exposes the anchor points you need. You now focus on the mirror lens puzzle and the internal access sequence. First, rotate each of the 3 mirrors so the beam hits the sealed symbol on the floor. This opens the inner hatch. Once the hatch releases, secure the rope grapple to the exposed anchor at the 3 o'clock position and lower yourself carefully. You'll need to avoid slipping into the tide. Meanwhile, distract sentinel crabs with bait to the west so you can slip along the eastern gallery and reach the maintenance hatch without combat. You climb the spiral shaft to the lantern room and stand before the main switch. Flip it to power the beacon, which destabilizes the temporary barrier guarding the final door. As the barrier drops, step through the newly opened passage and follow the spiral stairs down to the control console. Interact with the lever sequence in the order indicated by the floor insignia. If the door or mechanics fail, wait 1 full tide cycle or reload the last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.